Hello everyone! In today's video, I guide you through the steps to fix blurry Instagram Reels and ensure your videos stay sharp and high quality. A weak internet connection can cause Instagram to compress your videos more. Make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network or switch to a mobile data with good signal strength. This can help prevent excessive compression during upload. To avoid Instagram compressing your video, go to your profile, then Settings, Data Usage, and toggle on High Quality Uploads. This ensures that Instagram uses the best possible settings for your videos. Instagram Reels work best with videos that are 1080 by 1920 pixels in resolution. Before uploading your reel, make sure your video meets these dimensions. If it's a lower resolution, Instagram will compress it, leading to blurry results. The next step is to update Instagram. Bugs in older versions of Instagram can sometimes cause videos to appear blurry. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure you're using the latest version of Instagram. Finally, if data saver mode is turned on, Instagram might reduce the quality of videos to save data. Go to Settings, Data Usage, and make sure data saver is turned off. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to fix blurry reels and ensure your videos are crisp and clear. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.